about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
来哟！
走马街，
走马街啊！
让我们加入客家风情，发现客家之美。
2026年嘅同化節要當到演示規劃用松腳行啲裝置細路，也嘅雙同葡萄嘅看同化廣場，也嘅來合肥地嘅客莊四里行名站，叫下來了解2026我去哪邊看同化。
During this year's Tongue Blossom Festival, many parts of Taiwan will offer camphor tree viewing trail tours. Local guides will introduce visitors to local Hakka cultures and histories, and visitors can view the special May snowstorm when tongue petals fall to the ground. Also during the festival, the Hakka Affairs Council is showing selected works of tongue-themed poetry on transit systems across the country. Additionally, the council is holding a photography exhibition to make tongue blossom photography an activity that all of Taiwan can take part in. Check out the Hakka Affairs Council website for more information.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個呢？
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。现在来到了春季了，对不对？
对，4月份，有什么
5月蟹，
嘿，看5月蟹咯。而且今年客委会就让各地去推出各自的一些活动主题呢就是用脚认识客庄，用心体验文化，就用脚认识客庄，用心体验文化。
这很好啊！
安排一些导览员，
是
跟大家讲说在地的一些特色跟文化，让大家了解客家。另外没错的老太太讲，今年有做3大主题的规划。第一个呢，就是你最爱的音乐
结合音乐来赏
没错，在桐花树下办一个音乐会，是不是很浪漫？再来呢，用文字的方式客委会就特别举办这个桐花3行诗的一个评选，就入选的作品呢，就会在各大的这个捷运站来露出第3个呢，就是要用影像的方式就是有这个线上的桐花摄影展就让大家赶快来看讲跟有桐花不错，像大家如果你要在出发之前呢，记得到客委会的客庄4里行客庄小旅行网站来去了解旅游资讯。
Yes, of course. Again, this is such a great combination of audio and visuals while you enjoy your tongue blossom experience. Let's review some of the phrases that we brought up. 来教几个词汇好了，包括5月雪，也就是这个桐花嘛
5月雪
5月雪 because it happens in May, so the month May is used. And then 桐花季 which is Tongue Blossom Festival.
桐花季
And finally 有一个跟我很有关系，就是音乐到底怎么说？
音樂
That's music for you. There you have it. Enjoy the Tongue Blossom Festival that's coming up.
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.